So hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today is going to be different because I'm going to a book signing, which is Copa. I went in 2017, so this is my second time going. So basically what it is a book signing conference that they have for romance novel authors. So it's a treat for me, and I've only noticed a few people on the list that I've read books from. The last time I came, I really was excited because Jenna Austin was here. Also, Kenny Ryan was here last time, but they're not on the list this time around. But there are some other ones that I've reviewed for. And then also it's an opportunity to kind of see if I can, get introduced to some other women's novel authors that I am not familiar with. So I will take you along and see what I picked up. I'm not picking up that many books, but it's just will be nice, something different for this week because no reading vlog this week, so this will be it. So yeah, let's see how it's go. I got about 20 something minutes before it starts because they do sessions. You can't just go in. You have to buy tickets for a 2-hour session. And I'm on the 2 to 4 session, so we'll see how it is. And I think it's a good idea that they did it like that because this way it's not crowded and you get to actually interact with the authors versus if it's too crowded and it's like they sign your book and they ship you along, but it's not like that. It's on this for this book signing, which I can appreciate. So yeah, so here we go. So, how does it feel to be the slow burn queen?
Does it feel real?
You are. Your books are slow burn, but I appreciate it because they build up the storyline and make you appreciate it even more when you get to the good stuff.
Oh, thank you guys. I just don't really for me personally, I always just care about a character, a couple before they get into a relationship, and then afterward I'm like,
So,
thank you.
You're welcome.
And you said yes to
Yeah, PETA.
Are you guys from around here?
I am. She's new. She's
Yeah.
new here.
Facebook. I told you in Messenger on Facebook. I just moved to New York like in Copa.
Oh yeah. Having a good time? Are you having a good time?
Yeah, I'm about to start school on Tuesday, so we'll see. I was so excited that I found you. Oh my god.
There you go.
Can I also get a picture?
Absolutely.
Yes, I'm one of those YouTubers. So I always have a camera. Hi, I want to get the picture up. Yes.
I always wonder, because my daughter watches YouTube, then I'm like, I wonder what it's like going into Walmart and the store and everywhere you go with the camera up. It must be awkward, but
Yes.
nobody seems to pay them any attention.
But then you get used to it. So when people stare at me, I'm like, okay.
You don't have a reasonable expectation of privacy in public anymore, so people just are used to being on camera.
No.
Like I am right now.
Okay.
Hi, Mom.
So it's, I don't know, right? PETA, P-E-T, yes. And my channel name is Comfy Cozy Up.
Okay. Is it Comfy Cozy Up?
Yes.
I love that.
Yeah. So I have a blog and a YouTube.
I love it.
So I'm going to put it.
Ready?
Yes. Yes. So tell me, what's your poetry book about?
A lot of stuff. It's seduction, verbal seduction, empowerment, and then I have my rambles, as I call them, about dealing with somebody who I lost to cancer, and then my journey through 9/11. So it's definitely a little bit for everybody. Somebody can take something out of it.
Ooh.
So I definitely will enjoy it.
Okay. It's PETA, P-E-T-A. And my channel name is Comfy Cozy Up. Comfy Cozy Up. I wish. So PETA. And my channel is Comfy Cozy Up.
That is this, and then I have cookie butter. These are my last cookie butter jars. Yeah. Oh, do you like cookies? These are made out of cookies. These are just spreadable cookies. Cookie butter is good. You like it? Okay. So it's 17.
Can I get
yes?
I know, right?
Right. That one.
I don't know why. I'm just looking at that series like, yes, yes.
It's calling
yes,
to you.
yes.
I know. Well, the covers are really great. The designer really knocked it out of the park.
Yes, the cover is pretty good.
Yeah, I was really happy with what she did for that. Okay, Peter.
Okay, thank you. So, what is the story about?
She has trouble experiencing, the big O a little bit.
Oh.
And she's a therapist, but she takes a new job in the hospital, and he's like a sex therapist.
Oh, all right.
They kind of work through their struggles together. So.
I'm with you on that one. That's juicy enough. And thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So guys, my bag went from very light to heavy. But I got some books that I feel like I'm really gonna read and enjoy. So, but probably one more author I'm gonna see, and done for the day. So yeah, it's a pretty cool event, and I'm always glad when I go to events and I meet someone, because I meet this girl, and we've been doing the entire thing together. We met in line, and so I don't know. I just really love when I go to book events and I get to meet people, and we instantly bond and be able to enjoy the festivity together. So yeah.
Autism is high functioning, and for the last 20 years I volunteered with an organization in Arizona that does autism awareness, education, and works with families to have resources and training and structure to kind of help them navigate a diagnosis. And so when I wrote this, it was kind of important for me to honor single parents and parents of children with autism, families, sisters, siblings that have people with autism, to give them kind of that fairy tale, and also to showcase the unbelievable things that people with autism are capable of and can do. So that's why I wrote that. Right.
I agree with that. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool,
And
I'll
that's-
take more.
Good.
Can you show me the book that's
Get the
again?
books.
Oh yeah, you want me to?
Card
This
or
one.
cash?
So guys, that's the book she's talking about, and so yeah.
And I'm also one half of the founder of the Lift campaign. I do that with Kennedy Ryan. So every year we raise money for the autism community, and we have a pretty massive book auction.
Oh, I love Kennedy Ryan.
I love Kennedy Ryan too.
Yes.
She's my partner in good, and so every April we're pretty loud and proud and obnoxious about
Yes,
it. So
yes.
look for us in April.
Oh my God, you said the name I love.
Well, she's the name.
Okay, this is the Legacy Book 1 in my Rivers Wild series. It is set in Houston, Texas, in a fictional enclave called Rivers Wild, which is two families who share land and a very deep-seated hate for each other. Hayes Rivers is the legacy. He is coming home to claim his birthright, and he meets a woman at a wedding in Italy, which is the first setting of this book, in a Tuscan villa at a wedding. It's not the most wonderful meeting, but they fall in love, and she challenges him, and she ends up being in Houston, and it's a story of his family, and for her, sort of, she's a really brilliant lawyer who has been, because she's very beautiful as well, has sort of been is trying to assert that part of herself. She's an expert on like mass torts of floods that happen, and she comes right the weekend that Hurricane Harvey happens in Houston. She's there and is hired by a law firm to that is suing his company. So they're like on opposite sides of the suit, but you know it's all love and you know it's special. And I love them. It's very sexy. It's the sexiest book in my whole background.
I love your energy when you're talking about your story.
Thank you so much. I love them. They're my babies. And so thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And Rivers Wild, I live in Houston, so I wanted to put the book set there. Sapita.
It's been picked up by Netflix, so there's going to be a Netflix show.
So, like, is this good? So we're gonna go to dinner.
And can you tell me just a little bit about the book?
Absolutely. So, my first book, 44 Chapters About 4 Men, is a comedic memoir, romantic comedy about my 3 ex-boyfriends and my husband. And I had such a good time.
Right over here?
He never allows his face. He would like dive under the table. Since he's in the books and he has like a proper job, he doesn't want anybody that he works with to put 2 and 2 together and read the books about his sex life.
Okay, so I will definitely X him out.
But I had such a good time writing that book and it did so well. And it's actually going to be a Netflix show that I gave each of the 4 men in the book their own standalone. So the first one is Skin. So this is about my psychopathic high school ex-boyfriend. And it's probably my favorite book in the series. So I'm excited for you to read it. Okay. And then after that, there's Speed, Star, and Suit. Those are about the other guys in the memoir. So this is Skin. I hope you love it.
I hope so too. Guys, so I'm going to end this video here. And pretty much all the books you saw is from the authors that I took pictures with or you saw me in camera. So basically what I'm saying is this was another good event, and I love the intimacy of the event because there's not a lot of people, because they had time slot and it's spread out, so you get to actually have real conversation with the authors and get to see what the inspiration behind their stories are. And you know, that's something you don't get a lot of book events. So it is, I believe, biannual, so the next one will probably be 2021. So, but you know, next time around, definitely should check it out and enjoy some romance and some good romance in your life. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye-bye.